let's review the wall V stretch. So this is similar to the V stretch, but like the wall candle, we're gonna have our legs against the wall and our back is gonna be against the floor. It's a great stretch for improving flexibility in the groin, as well as a little bit in the hips and even lower back, and I also tend to feel it in the shoulders as well. So getting into this position, I like to sort of put my shoulder against the wall, butt as close to the wall as possible, then I rotate up like this. So I'll begin in a wall candle position, arms out straight, palms up, and from here, with legs extended, simply let my legs fall to the side. So gravity's helping a little bit doing the work, stretching out the groin area. Also feel a little bit in the low back and hamstrings. And as your flexibility improves, your legs will fall closer to the floor. So be careful coming out of this. Come out of it nice and gentle. And that right there is the wall V sit.